Hi everybody. Today we'll see about branding. What are the key decisions in branding, packaging and labeling? Let's see what is the meaning of a brand. Simply, brand is a product from a known source. It may be from an organization or any charity organization or service organization. The name of the organization can also serve as a brand for some times. But it is not advisable that keep a separate name for your company and for your brand. The brand value reflects how a product name or a company name is perceived in the marketplace. Whether it is a target audience for a product or a marketplace in general. So clearly this can have a different meaning and therefore a different meaning values. So brand is a product from a known source. It can be a name, sign, symbol for the purpose of identifying. That is called as a brand. So what are the key decisions? Basically, there are 4 key decisions: brand positioning, brand name selection, brand sponsorship, and brand development decisions. Let us see one by one. If you take brand positioning, there are 3 types of positioning. They are product attributes, but generally that is the least effective. Or you can position on the benefit of the product. For example, if you take a toothpaste, they position on germ check, protection of your teeth for 24 hours, decay preventions, or whitening of your teeth. Like that, a brand can be positioned on the benefit of a product, or you can position on the belief and values. Here you are giving importance for the emotion of the consumers. So that is with regard to the positioning. If you take brand name selection as one of the key decisions, the name of the brand should be accurate, it should be meaningful. Okay, so the good brand name should suggest something about the product or its benefits. When the brand name itself conveys something benefit or a product, it is easy for the manufacturers or marketer to convey the meaning to the consumers. So the brand name should be easy to say, recognize and remember. It should not be confusing. It should not be very difficult to pronounce. Okay, the brand name should be distinctive. It should look like a similar to others, and you should have a provision to extend in the future. That brand extension should be possible, and your brand name should translate well into other languages. When you translate into other languages, you should not face any problems. For example, Ambassador Nova, if you make the brand in Spanish speaking countries, that means it won't go. The Nova means it won't go. So that should not, confusion should not arise. While naming the brand itself, you should check that whether it is carrying the good meaning in other languages also. If it carries a poor meaning, then you have to change your brand name when you are going for that country language. So, and you have to make sure that the brand name is you are able to register and you are able to protect legally. So that is with regard to that brand name selection. Then brand sponsorship. You can have a sponsors like a manufacturer's brand, private label brands, or licensed brands, or co-brands. So either you can develop a brand, or a retailer can develop a brand, or you can get a license from somebody else who doesn't want to do business in your area, or you can go for a co-branding. Co-branding means dual branding or brand bundling. Products are all often combined with the products of other companies in various ways. 2 or more well-known existing brands are combined into a joint product and are marketed together in the same fashion is called as co-branding. For example, Maruti and Suzuki, they were doing co-branding. TVS and Suzuki, they were doing a co-branding. That is an example for it. Finally, how do you develop a brand development? So brand development decisions, either you can go for line extension or brand extension or multi-brands or new brands. So line extension means you do minor changes in your existing product and make it as a new variant to the consumers. That is a line extension. For example, Sunsilk, they have pink color, then yellow color and black color. That is a line extension example. And brand extension, a successful brand name is used for another product category. For example, Horlicks health drink, we all aware about it. They extended into Horlicks biscuits. So that is an example for a brand extension. Or you can go for multiple product entries into the different product category, or you can introduce a new product into the new product category. So these are the ways in which you can develop the brands. So next we will see what is the packaging. All the activities of designing and producing the container for a product is called as a packaging. So mere product you cannot sell it. You have to put it into a package and you have to sell it to the consumers. So the activities of designing and producing a container for a product is called as packaging. A well-designed packaging can create convenience and promotion value. So the packaging, naturally it will create a convenience to the consumers, and it will also act as a promotional value for your product. Why people are giving nowadays more important? Because various factors contribute to the development of the packaging because of self-service. No longer we ask the product from the shop, we go to the department store, you select the product, so the attractiveness of the package will have a chance of getting selected by the consumers. So self-service is one of the factors. And the consumer affluence, that means consumers are ready to pay a little bit higher for the attractive packages or convenient packages, that is called as consumer affluences, which contribute to the development of the package. And you also have the company image and brand image in the package. So the company started giving importance for the package, and you also have the innovation opportunity in the packages. So that is also contributing for the development of the packages. So next is labeling. A label may be a simple tag attached to a product and are elaborately designed graphic that is part of the package. So in the labeling, it can be a simple tag which is part of the product, or it can be sometimes it can be elaborately designed graphic that is part of the package. So labeling might carry only the brand name, or sometimes it will carry the great deal of informations. You could see lot of information in the labeling for some times, because the government mandates to you need to give the name of the company, name of the brand, and the date of expiry, and what is the direction for the use, and the date of producing. All this information are mandated by the government. So what is the function of a labeling? Labeling helps you to identify the brand, and it helps you to grade the brand and describes about your product and brand, and it also helps you to promote a product with attractive graphics. So with this, I'm ending this session. So hope you enjoyed the session. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and growing. Thank you.